To write a program, we need an IDE. And what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Basically, this is an application where you write your code, test your code, basically all the tools that you are going to need to write code, you can find in IDE. Now I'm going to show you how to download CodeBlocks. This is open source, people made this. And now I'm going to walk you through the process of installing CodeBlocks. So here's what we do. We go to the CodeBlocks website, click here. From here, we are going to tap on Downloads link and choose Download the binary release. And according to your operating system, you can choose your installer. So since we are on Windows, I'm going to click on Windows. And here we are. Here we have 3 nodes. You can read them. Basically, it says if the computer or PC doesn't belong to you, you can go with this one. Okay. And if you don't have a compiler, you can go with this one. Okay. So if you don't want to bother yourself with the installer, then you can go with this one. So here we are going to choose this installer, and it is here. You can go with the FOSS-Hub or SourceForge. It doesn't matter actually. I'll go with this one. And your download will start shortly. And it's going to take some time, and I already have installed an installer. I'm going to cancel it. So when you download the installer, you can go and run the installer. Here is mine. And you are going to follow its instructions to install CodeBlocks. I agree. Next. And this is the destination folder. I recommend to go with the default version, of course, if you want. But if you don't want, you can make changes. But I recommend you to follow the recommended way. And now it's going to ask whether you want to run it or not. And here it is. Let's go ahead and say yes. So click next and finish. So the code block, here it is. This is CodeBlocks.